Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. It's me, Gigi, and if you're new to this channel, what I do here is do pretty sets of nails. I am a self-taught nail artist and enthusiast, and I have picked up all of these wonderful skills by watching amazing people on YouTube teach other people how to do nails. So what we're doing today is sculpting a pretty set that just really celebrates love for butterflies. And I'm putting down a clear pink tip on this, and we're going pretty long with this set as I really just wanted to do a fun fantasy set of nails. And now we're coming in with those really pretty pink hearts, and they're sort of a satin finish. They're not really glittery or like these butterflies that are like gold to red shifty, and there's some green in there. They're almost hollow, like almost hollow. So they're just so fun. Now I did cure that, and what we're going to come in with now is a nail bed, and we're going to do that in Cover Pink. And the gels that we're using today are by Yay Yogi, but this video isn't sponsored by anyone. I paid for all the products in this video, or they were given to me as a gift. And by gift, I mean either by family or friends, not by a company at all. Sorry. I clearly cannot speak. What I'm doing is just coming in with a damp brush and fading that out a little more, and then just clearing up that side a bit, and then we're gonna cure that. And then I'm going to go ahead and come in with a little bit more of a bead on that nail bed. And we are, of course, going to encapsulate everything as well. But I just wanted to build up a little bit more with the Cover Pink, because actually I just have a ton of it. And so I should be using it pretty basically. And we're going to fade that down just a little bit more, This set is actually a little on the repetitive side. There's only 2 nails that I repeat, twice. And so I'm only going to show you the 2 nails, because otherwise this video would get really long and repetitive. And I'm just showing you really quickly how I achieved the look, which is pretty standard, I think, how most people would achieve this look. And I'm just coming in and encapsulating that tip and making sure that it blends really well with the nail bed. I think I got that fade pretty good. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think I nailed that fade? Now we're going to do the second nail. And we're going to come in with the Cover Pink all the way down. We're not going to do a clear tip on 2 of the nails. We're going to only do a clear tip on 2 of the nails. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's just going to be one of those days, I guess. I did want to let you know that for sure I'm going to do a St. Patty's Day set. I clearly cannot speak today. I'm so sorry about that, you guys. And now we're going to come in, now that we've set up where we want that gel to go, we're going to come in and build it up a little bit. Just add some. Now with this Cover Pink, I do actually come in a little bit in layers and add where I need to as I go, because otherwise it's pretty opaque when it's built up, and so the light doesn't penetrate all the way. And so you've really got to work in layers when you're working with this particular Cover Pink, or at least that's been the experience that I'm having. And I do have a 48-watt lamp, so it's not like I have a lamp that wouldn't be able to cure it. So, and it's not just the, other gels do the same thing. Now what I'm going to do is mix some glitter in with some of that clear pink and just make a little glitter gel. I ended up mixing up more than I needed, so oops. But this is going to be for our glittery swirls. Right there, I was having a hard time making everything stir correctly. because that was a motorcycle, if you heard that. So because it felt crooked, so I was just pushing down hard to make it straighten out, which it did, by the way, which it did. Now I'm putting down a slip layer, and then I'm going in straight on top of that with this glitter gel, because I want to be able to sort of fade them a little bit together and almost give it, not exactly a smoky quality because it is a glitter swirl, but just almost just the tiniest bit of them fading together and just mixing and melding together. And we're going to achieve that with this little damp brush, the same way that we did the fade. My door was swinging and I was worried it was going to slam, so I was watching it. It totally distracted me. It's open so my dog can go out. Now we're going to come in with some more butterflies and some more hearts. And we're just going to follow that swirl. I don't like where that one is placed, so we're going to drag it down. And I'm actually okay if a little bit of the cover paint gets on there because it gives it that faded quality, the same that you're getting from the fade on the clear tip. And now we are just going to go in and put down a slip layer and encapsulate this entire nail. And this is sped up really quick. This is double time, but I am trying really hard to make sure that I'm getting all the way, like putting enough pressure to get into that glitter. So the slip layer, there's no bubbles in there. Because sometimes when you're encapsulating, I'm still not great at not getting bubbles, but I have found that if I'm really careful about making sure that I have filled all the nooks and crannies, I have less of a chance of getting those bubbles that I hate, which we all hate, right? We all hate those bubbles. Let's keep it real. Okay, after this goes in the lamp, I tried to do some filing on camera, but guys, it did not come out, so I'm going to have to try another video for that. But here it is, time for a little shine. It's shine time. And I do actually hit the bottom sides of these nails with top coat as well, just to make sure. But look at how pretty that is. Oh, those golden butterflies are just gorgeous with those pink hearts and that pink glitter. This is definitely for a girl who likes to be, or guy, who likes to be feminine and springtime and full of butterfly love. That's what we're going to call this set, Butterfly Love. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.